Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Calendly and Salesforce. All right, so first up, go ahead over to calendly.com. Now, while you're in here, go to the left panel and click on Integrations into Apps. Just click on it, wait for it to load. And once it loads, as you can see here, in the first page, we have Salesforce, okay? Now just click on it and wait for it to load. Now you can go ahead and click on the Connect Salesforce button right here at the bottom. Just click on it. Now in here, it will ask you to connect to Salesforce to automate records and more. We have host meetings with team members using round robin event types, standardize the team experience with the manage event types, automatically route invitees to the best booking experience. Okay. If you have the upgraded plan, you can just go ahead and easily click on connect right here. Okay. And as you can see here, mine is, I'm just using the free version. But just click on connect and go ahead and log in with your Salesforce account. And once done, Calendly and Salesforce will be connected. That's basically how you do it. Now, if you want to learn more or if you want to customize the connection even further, don't worry. I'll leave this article's link in the description. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.